Hello everyone, I'm Jim with CAD Dimensions, and in today's tech tip, we're going to be working with weldments. In a previous video, I demonstrated how I made custom profiles for a project I'm working on at home. Well, today I'm going to be expanding on that topic to show you the basics of working with weldments as I begin to design a small storage shed for a portable generator using some leftover lumber I have from another project. So I've already created a 3D sketch, and we're going to start by adding a structural member, and then we're going to select the four corners, which will be created with 4x4s. Next, I'll be using 2x4s to create the frame between the four corner posts at the top. Now I'll create a new group for the bottom. Looking at the top, I noticed that the 2x4 profiles are higher than the 4x4s. So I'm going to need to locate the profiles. I can do this by selecting the Locate Profile button and then choosing a different sketch point on the profile. Now that they're level with each other, I'll continue to add more groups from the sketch. With this group, my profiles are not aligned the way I want them, so we'll need to fix this. I can add an angle of 90 degrees to the profile to adjust the alignment. Now my next group has the same problem as the last, but this time I will select an edge to use to align the parts with. Now we're going to continue creating new groups. Now that we've finished selecting the line segments, you may notice that the 2x4s interfere with the 4x4s. We can fix this using the Trim Extend command. I'm going to select the 2x4s as the body to be trimmed, and then we're going to select the inside faces of the 4x4s as our trimming boundary. Next, we're going to repeat this process again for both the left and the right side. There. And if I had sketched this differently, I may have been able to use the trim order or corner treatment selection to change this instead of the Trim Extend command. You'll notice the option for the corner treatment here. Or if you select the red dot at the end of a segment, you can change the trim order in which changes how the ends butt up against each other. Now that we've reviewed some of the basic functions of weldments, I hope this video will help you start a new project of your own. Thanks for watching.